Welcome to the world of research. In this video, we are going to learn about the steps employed while conducting document analysis. Step 1. Determine the purpose of the document analysis. Before beginning the document analysis, it's important to determine what you hope to achieve with the analysis. What research questions are you trying to answer? What data are you trying to extract from the documents? This will help you stay focused during the analysis. Step 2. Identify the documents to be analyzed. This could include any type of written material such as policy documents, reports, memos, emails, or social media posts. Make sure to select documents that are relevant to your research questions. Step 3. Read the documents thoroughly. Once you have identified the documents, you will need to read them thoroughly. This may involve multiple readings to ensure that you have a complete understanding of the content. As you read, take notes and highlight or underline key sections that are relevant to your research questions. Step 4. Coding of the data. Coding is the process of identifying and labeling sections of the data that are relevant to your research questions. This involves breaking down the data into smaller parts and assigning codes or labels to each part. For example, if you are analyzing policy documents related to a particular issue, you might code sections that relate to specific policies or strategies. Step 5. Categorization of the codes. Once you have coded the data, you will need to categorize the codes. This involves grouping similar codes together and creating broader categories. For example, if you have coded sections related to specific policies, you might create a category called Policy Approaches. Step 6. Identification of the themes. After categorizing the codes, you will need to identify themes that emerge from the data. Themes are patterns or trends that you have identified in the data that help answer your research questions. For example, if you have identified a category called policy approaches, you might identify a theme related to the effectiveness of different policy approaches. Step 7. Analyze the themes. Once you have identified the themes, you will need to analyze them in more detail. This may involve, number 1, comparing and contrasting different themes. Number 2, exploring the relationships between themes, or number 3, identifying any gaps, or number 4, contradictions in the data. Step 7. Draw conclusions. The final step in the document analysis process is to draw conclusions based on your analysis. This involves synthesizing the data and the themes to answer your research questions and make any relevant recommendations. Thank you. Good luck with your research.